Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In our last class, we have discussed about the major physiographic divisions of India. In today's class, we will be studying the physiographic divisions in detail. Today, we will be studying the Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan mountains, they are the youngest mountain in the world. They are the youngest fold mountain in the world. They are starting from Jammu and Kashmir and they are extending up to Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayan mountains it have three parallel range. The first one is the inner Himalaya or greater Himalaya or the Himadri. The second parallel range is known as Lesser Himalaya or Himachal, and the third one is known as the Shivalik. So these are the three parallel range of Himalayas. One by one, we will be discussing them in detail. But before that, we will discuss about the Trans Himalaya. What are Trans Himalaya? When you see Jammu and Kashmir, here three mountain ranges are there: Karakoram, Ladakh, and Jaskar. These are Karakoram, Ladakh, and Jaskar. These three mountain range they are known as Trans Himalaya. They are not part of Himalaya because they are older than the Himalayan mountains. In Karakoram range, you will find here in POK, here is the K2 or Godwin Austen. It is the second highest peak in the world after Mount Everest. And after that, here the extension of the Karakoram is the Kailash Hill. You will find here the Kailash Hill and Mansarovar Lake is over here only. So we have seen the Trans Himalaya. Now we will be studying the Himalayan mountain ranges in detail. The northernmost Himalayan mountain range is known as the Greater Himalaya, Inner Himalaya, or the Himadri. And Himadri, here you will find the 10 major peaks of the world you will find in the Himadri only. And the average height of the Himadri mountain range is 6000 meters. In Himadri mountain only you will find here in Nepal Mount Everest is there, highest mountain peak in the world. And in here Sikkim you will find here Kanchenjunga, which is the highest mountain peak of India. Although the height of K2 is more than that of Kanchenjunga, but the highest mountain peak it is considered Kanchenjunga because K2 is in POK, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The Himadri it is the northernmost parallel range in the Himalayas, and throughout the year they are snow bounded. And in this Himadri only you will find many glaciers are there. Here Gangotri glacier and here the Yamunotri glaciers are there. Then the highest mountain peak Mount Everest is there, Kanchenjunga is there, Nanga Parvat is here, Namcha Barwa, Dhaulagiri, Kamet, all these mountain peaks you will find here in Himadri only. Just south of Himadri, the second parallel range is known as the Lesser Himalaya or Himachal Himalaya. Here the average height is 3700 to 4500 meter, and the prominent peaks here are Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar. Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat mountain range. These are coming in the lesser Himalayas. The south of lesser Himalayas you will be finding the Shivalik. So here is the Shivalik Himalayas. So Shivalik, they are the outermost range of the Himalayas, and their average height is between 900 to 1100 meters. So in today's class we have seen the divisions of Himalayas from north to south. In our upcoming video we will be seeing the divisions of Himalayas based on the rivers. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.